Which benefits do you think that the participants will get from this seminar?
Well, thank you very much for asking me that question. But if you ask me, I could say that the benefits are going to be varied because of different reasons. First of all, students are going to get lots of more information about what they are supposed to consider in their daily lives as students. That is to say, they will better understand the things that are being studied in the classrooms. Second of all, it's always good to have these kinds of events because the students are going to feel what it's really necessary to consider when teaching students. And that means, for example, they are going to know what exactly to consider to carry out their teaching learning process. And last but not least, I would say that it's really important and beneficial for the students because they are actually getting in touch with what teaching actually means. So it is because of these three reasons that I can say that, yeah, for sure, students are going to get benefited a lot from this seminar.
Okay, Prof. Thank you.
Can you say me what do you think about the seminar so far?
Okay, I think it's really interesting because we need to know more about how the language is changing nowadays, and we need to understand also our society and how linguistics works in terms of socially.
Okay, thank you very much. Hi Brian, what do you think about the seminar so far?
Okay, first hello, and I think that as every initial seminar or every initial program, there are some things that needs to improve, but the way that they try to organize things, I think it's well at some point, but needs to improve some things. So that is what I think about it.
Thank you for your opinion.
What do you think about the performance of every participant in this seminar?
I think that every participant makes the better or the best for us. They share their knowledge for us to get something better or make us something or someone better in order to teach something. I think.
Thank you very much. Okay, what do you think about the performance of every participant in this seminar?
I think it's interesting because now I can be inspired about some aspects about the new career and the so-called in that way. So, for example, new different ways of how to teach English about the students, and also some different aspects about the entire educational system. That's all.